In the graphical representation of breath sounds, the upward lines represent inspiration and the downward lines represent expiration. The length indicates duration, width indicates intensity, and the angle indicates pitch of the sound. Now we see the graphical representation of vesicular breath sound. In this you can see the duration of expiration is about 1/3 of inspiration. There is no pause. The inspiratory sound is louder and it is low pitched, represented by the narrow angle. Next we see the bronchial breath sound. Here the duration of expiration is longer than the duration of inspiration. There is a definite pause. The expiratory sound is louder and high pitched, which is represented by the wide angle. In next video we will discuss conditions that cause bronchial breath sound.